How to send USDT from Binance to OKX Wallet. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be discussing about how to send USDT from Binance to OKX Wallet. So first thing, make sure you have downloaded both of the application on your device successfully. And once you do that, just head over to your Binance application first. And once you open the application, just head over to your wallet section from the bottom right corner. And just click on withdraw button over here. And once you start here, just select the first option that is sent via crypto network. And when you toggle over here, you can basically choose between different networks and learn about their fees. So for now, I'm simply gonna choose the Optimism network. So you can just find it by scrolling down and click on that. So once you do all of that, next thing, just open up your OKX wallet and make sure you're currently logged into your account and you have enough balance. So once you're inside here, just head over to your wallet section and click on this search bar and just search in for USDT just like this and just click on first option. So on OKX wallet, there's a feature where you can actually find the network which you just used in the Binance application. So you just have to scroll all the way to right at the top of your navigation bar and just find or locate the Optimism and simply click on that. And from over here, you should see the address. You just have to copy the address from there and simply paste it back right on the Binance application and choose your network as well and just enter the withdrawal amount that you would like to use and simply click on withdraw. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.